Morning, ma'am. Welcome to Supper Restaurant. Do you have reservation?
I don't have any reservation.
Ma'am, may I know your name so that you will be acknowledged?
Yes, sure. I am Jess Alvarez.
Thank you, Ma'am Jess Alvarez. Table for how many, ma'am?
Table for one only.
This way, please, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I leave your table open?
Yes, sure.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your mineral cold water.
Yes, thank you.
Ma'am, I would like to present to you our menu for your selection. Just tell me, ma'am, whenever you're ready. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your bread and butter fresh from our oven. Waiter? Yes, ma'am. Here's our order. For my soup, one order of tomato soup. For my appetizer, I want spicy avocado pita salsa. For my main course, I want chicken barbecue. For my dessert, I want chocolate cake. That's all, ma'am?
Yes, that's all.
How about trying our bestseller salad, the vegetable paradise? It is fresh from our garden.
Oh, sure, that's good. Oh, sure, that's good.
Okay, ma'am, may I repeat your order? You have one serving of tomato soup, spicy avocado, chicken barbecue, and chocolate cake.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am, please wait 15 minutes to serve your food. Excuse me, ma'am, here is your tomato soup. Excuse me, ma'am, may I now clear your table?
Yes, sure.
Excuse me, ma'am, may I now clear your table?
Yes, sure.
Excuse me, ma'am, here's your vegetable salad for appetizer. Excuse me, ma'am, may I now clean your table?
Yes, sure.
Excuse me, ma'am, may I now clean your table?
Yes, sure.
Excuse me, ma'am, here's your chocolate cake for dessert. Excuse me, ma'am, may I now clean your table?
Yes, sure. My bill.
Here's your bill, ma'am. I received 3,000 pesos. Please excuse me for a while, ma'am. I will just get your change, ma'am.
Yes, sure.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your receipt and change. Thank you, ma'am. This way, please, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am, for dining with us. We are hoping to see you again.